Hey Effortless Beauty fam! If there is one video that has been most highly requested from me, it is this one. I am showing you guys how I style my curly hair and all the tips and tricks that I have to share along the way. So stay tuned, you're gonna love it. You will want to begin with your hair wet. I have started by putting my hair in a t-shirt because whenever you get out of the shower or just rinsing your hair, making it wet, you'll want to wrap it up as something just so it's not all over the place. A cotton t-shirt will prevent excess frizz versus a towel that has the fibers that almost grab onto your hair a little bit more and create more frizz. So I'll put this on, but pretty much as soon as possible, I'm gonna take that off because let's just say it, it's not that cute. Just took the towel t-shirt out and I am wetting my hair down from just a little bit that it dried while it was in the t-shirt. You wanna make sure that your hair is super wet whenever you're drying it because essentially the water molecules will help make your hair less frizzy. So now that it's nice and wet, I'm gonna start putting my products in. I am going to begin by putting the Moroccan Oil Curl Defining Cream. This will be my first product because I like just giving my hair a little extra moisture to start. I'm going to work this through my hair. And go back for a second hit. This is about how much product I'm putting in my hair each time. Good amount, and now I'm gonna flip my head over and make sure I'm getting the roots. Second product is my gel. This is the Diva Curl Light Defining Gel, and I'm gonna squirt a good amount. Again, work it in my hands and then work it throughout my hair. Second amount of product. So something I look for in a gel is that it's lightweight, it's really movable and workable. If your gel is too thick, a lot of times you can't get it evenly distributed throughout your hair. And that's where you come into clumpy curls, greasy curls, and then other parts of your hair being really frizzy and like there's not any product in it. Third amount of gel. I love the gel, it's probably the product that I use the most. Probably. So again, just work it through my hair. This time I'm gonna focus on the roots and the very ends, and I'm gonna scrunch my ends a little bit. I've got a handful of mousse. This is the AG Hair Care Mousse Gel. And so yeah, I've just got a handful of it here and I'll work this throughout my hair, scrunching as well. I'll show you guys how I scrunch my hair shortly. How I scrunch my hair is I get a good amount of product. I feel like I keep saying good amount of product, but you guys understand me. It's a good amount of product. Okay, so I've got that in my hands and I'm just gonna get a palm full of hair and scrunch it and wait until I hear that good squishy sound. This is my handy dandy Dyson blow dryer. I love this. It is not in everyone's budget. I do know that. It is a little bit more pricey. However, if it is an option for you, I highly recommend grabbing it. It has changed my hair drying process for sure. I get a lot more volume, dimension, and even just the time that I spend drying my hair has been vastly reduced. So I'm gonna begin by drying my hair with my head upside down. This just helps gravity to do its job and give me a little bit of extra volume. Once my hair is about 80% dry, I'm going to spray the Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray all over it. This just helps to lock in everything including my curl. I honestly don't know how to describe it. If I got into the chemistry of it, I might be able to tell you guys a little bit more about why it's doing what it's doing. But all I know is it makes my hair so much more voluminous, bouncy, and it makes it stay throughout the week so much better. The dry oil control spray is especially great because it's not as harsh on your hair. The beginning of my hair journey, I knew I loved using hairspray, but I didn't know really why that was. And so I used your traditional high hold hairspray, and it was very, very drying to my hair. I highly recommend this product because it does have that dry oil in there. Contrary to stripping my hair of its natural oils, this product adds oil to my hair, which is super beneficial in the overall health. And I have an additional Kenra product that I love to add a little bit more volume. This last product that adds volume is optional. I tend to use it more when my hair's grown out. Right now, I do need to go get a haircut. I need my hairstylist to trim up my layers a little bit, and that makes a huge difference when you are drying your hair because I tend to think it just lays a little bit more flat when you don't have a good haircut. So this is the Dry Volume Burst number 3 by Kenra. So this one adds volume, this one sets everything in. After we do those two, we'll be done. When I'm applying my Dry Volume Burst, I like to lift up my hair and apply it right to the scalp. Massage it in a little bit and you can see my hair just start to lift up. And that, my friends, is my curly hair tutorial. This highly requested video has been so much fun to make for you all, and please let us know how you liked it. Hit that thumbs up button, be sure to comment, and make sure you're subscribed so you can see more videos from us every week.